Hello crypto fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share detail about the Yeager that is going to providing you such an opportunity to start trade in the AI type. And there are different AI trading agent that you are going to use. Even this is going to be your next crypto trading journey in a smooth way. On the Yeagers link in video description, you can also join even. There are different ways that you will get experience. You can even join there. You can connect your Binance. You can also connect a Bybit. I will also show you in step-by-step and fully deep dive review that how we know that people, if they are going to making trade, they can also be heated by emotionally. If they will lose, or they are also going to get some positive result, no doubt, they will also get emotional on it. But when we talk about the AI agents, that's why they will also work on the statistically and the data that have been proven. So this is a good and plus point in the Yeagers, and here are very easy setup that how we will work with the Yeagers and their AI agents that will work on statically data, and this data is also going to be very easy to set up. These are very smarter than human because they are working on the base of data that is in the live market and machine level decision. So there is no emotion, just pure decision making. And if you will set, then it will run 24/7 for you. No need to pay heed on it, just you can focus on your other businesses too. There are multi-agents, people are already participating into it, and there you can get experience near to 1,000 plus AI agents. And these are the trader on the base of market live data, and dear 3 year of heavy R&D, this has been trained. And if you want to know the basic concept behind this project, you can easily check out. And here is deploy your AI trader. Now I will also show you how this process is going to be something really interesting, and that will give you experience. And there are very smooth type of process that is on the Yeagers. First, we need to come and we have to join with API to connect our exchange, and there are different options. Binance, there are OKX, Debit, and we can easily connect with that. And after that, select it, the AI trader agent, and that have been already tested. Next, you can also go activate it for 24/7. It will work when you are going to sleep. It has no emotion. This trade is going to be your fully ownership trade. Means you are the owner, no other person is going to interrupt it. So in this way, you can see a lot of people already joined. Here, the people used that, and they have given the reviews on this, and this is going to be empowering and inspiring for the people. And further, you can also check out, there are some frequently asked questions. You can read about the AI agents, how it works, like what are the AI trading agents that are software program, and analyze the crypto market or any market. They will also make movement according to that data instead of emotions or fatigue. And it will work like 24/7, and there is no tide option. Yeagers is also non-custodial trading automation software tool. So Yeagers is here to give you support with Binance Future, OKX, Bybit are also coming soon. And you can easily check further information that we will also connect ourselves to them that are free, and let the agent take care of your portfolio on the trading profile to grow and give you best experience. So this video is also for just educational purpose only. You can easily come on it, and you have seen how it works. There are facts. Even you can also check out about the Yeagers. That is a public project actually. And it is going to empowering the traders to come on the platform with such a mission to get some positive result. And you can meet with their team. They have a lot of experience in the AI, as well as they are also behind their performances are really appreciable. So in this way, you can easily come, and if you want to upgrade your account, there are from $9 to so on. It depends on you which is your requirement. So you can also get some blogs that will also help you to understand this project in a best way. And Yeager is here to give you all this type of information. And if you want to join, you can easily click on the login link in video description. You can create the account successfully on it. For that, you can use your email address here, put your password of 6 to 8 digit and a password also again ask for twice and the referral code. After that, you can create the account successfully. After coming into the dashboard, you can also check out I have a limit 80 an agent that I can connect here, and you can also check out the Trade Agent catalog. And here are different unique. There is uni more code where PNL has been shared, and there you can also select the pepper. And there different type of trading. We can easily go ahead. And you can also check out the first one is about the UNI and AB73. There you can check out the PNL. And here we can easily click on the connect if you want to connect it and you want to start the work on such a platform. And further, you are also going to see that there is second one unique and there is 14% PNL and which agent is making good progress. You can easily select, and according to your IDCN, you can also go ahead and this is going to be a next level experience here that will start trade on the base of market analyze, and the decision making will also help you to get some positive result at you. And I am also going to show you first of all how we can also connect our exchange. And there I have also like how much we have connected the AI agent in different categories. You can also change it to. Next, I am also going to talking about that these are the agents that will work 24/7 for you. Once you have started, you can easily analyze here the percentage of PNL, and there is also the minimum how it is required to proceed on. There are also comparative to. You can compare one agent to another, which one is better. That will be your selection for the future. And start your future trade with Binance OKX Bybit. It is also depend on you which exchange you can easily connect with through API. And here you can also check out that I have already connected my exchange to, and I am going to select any one of the agent and put the number of amount. Here you can see my balance too. Further, I am also going to choose here minimum and maximum number of amount, and then we can also go ahead to start the standard, or there is another level. So I am going to start and it will also be connected successfully. I will also show you that 5 out of 40 agents are working in the behind setup, and you can connect your Binance OKX Bybit. I have already connected my Bybit. You can also check out the process here. And how it can also be connected, I will also show it to you like through API. You can also connect it, get the API from your profile setup or management, and get the secret or API key. You can also get the AI agents limit to increase from $9, $29, $89, and I am also going to using here expert level because there are more agent at a single time we can easily connect. And this is also the safe, secure, and custodial by the holders who are going to get this validity. If you have once upgrade, you can book for annually or monthly basis too, and connect the exchange. You can easily come here, and here you can see that sits agents out of order we have connected after checking the analysis, after checking the PNL. These agents can be selected through us. And the next is about the AI triggers that are actually agent that we can easily connect and see how many connected. And in this, just in a single click, you can continue to your best journey. And further, there are the percentage to check out the graph. This can also be close to in the record. You can see which are running in the background. You can even check out the result too. And once it will be finished their P&O and the time, you can also go and check the all progress here. Like what are the open trade that have been done, even there our balance has been managed through the profile. You can check out any history like a record. So this is going to be deploying only paper trade here. And this is my balance that you can check out in a demo trading too. If you don't go for the live account as in the starting or in the beginning, you can get experience with the paper account, and you can also connect your exchange. You can easily go and connect with this through API. Yes, you can also check out that you are going to put your API key, secret key, and then it will be connected successfully. And now I have already connected, and you can also select any one of the posterior results which have PNL, and that's why we are going to connect it. And after some time, as we have connected different type of agents, you can also search according to your need. And here is the PNL of our previous agents that we have activated, and there is also some benefit. $26.7 we have made in a positive way. This is the good result and performance that made me happy and make our day more with player enjoyment. And we can also get the dashboard result that is going to show us that which MTJ my AI trader is working in the background 24/7 for me on the base of our marquee data. And this is going to be really impressive thing. The link in video description you can easily check out for your next level right now.